Hi folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coach to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yeah, that's $10,000 a month. Now, if you're interested, please check out the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product from the second link in that description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you my 4 exceptional bonuses that I have been able to snag from my coach, Virgil Downs. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your Make Money Online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources, and you get them every Friday. Grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. Now, when you get an order for a high value gig, for example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and you deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is an important point. It's a reoccurring or recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps. And you can do that without spending a lot of time, 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, let's get back to the review.
Welcome to the best done-for-you opportunity that we've ever presented. And it doesn't even involve AI. Hi, I'm Dawud Islam. And over the past few years, I've specialised in creating affordable, evergreen traffic products and training products that everyone can use, regardless of their levels of experience. But today, we're going to raise the bar even higher by letting you share in some of our success and profits. Welcome to the Triple Income System. We're going to give you guaranteed approval and 100% front-end commissions for our 3 best-selling products this year: Big 10 Traffic, Mail Your Offer, and Place Your Link 3.0. Even on its own, that's a great starting point for success. But we're also going to do something that we've never done before. We are going to add your affiliate links to our internal promotions for these 3 products. That's right. Every time someone picks up a copy of Big 10 Traffic, Mail Your Offer, or Place Your Link 3.0, you will get a chance to earn a commission. It's the ultimate passive income opportunity. Here's how it works. Step 1. Pick up a copy of Triple Income System today before the price goes up. If you delay, you will end up paying more. Step 2. Apply for your 100% links to promote your 3 triple income products with guaranteed approval. And step 3. Send us your Warrior Plus links and get them added to our sales rotator for passive income opportunities every time someone buys a copy of our 3 best sellers. If you've never made sales on Warrior Plus before, then this is a golden opportunity to get your first sales on the board and increase massively your chances of getting approved to promote other offers. Or if you're new and have a handful of sales already, then this is a great chance to improve your affiliate score. But even if you're a seasoned affiliate, why pass up this excellent chance to get even more passive sales for just a few seconds of work? But act fast. As soon as the launch goes live, we will be setting up our new internal rotators for Big Ten traffic, mail your offer and place your link 3.0. From today, everyone who buys any one of these products could potentially be buying it from your link. The quicker you get your links on the rotator, the quicker your chances of getting some passive income sales. The longer you delay, the more other affiliates you will be competing against. So grab your copy of Triple Income System today, send in your links and start your passive income journey as soon as tonight. Act now and I'll see you on the inside.
Hi folks, I'm back. Just to remind you of my 4 bonuses. Find out how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources. Number 2, earn income on Fiverr. Number 3, earn reoccurring passive income. And number 4, invest 15 minutes a day and get up to $186. And don't forget to check out to earn 10 grand a month in the first link below.